Earlier this month, 400 people were polled by the University of Saskatchewan, and 60% answered that they found COVID-19 related issues to be either somewhat or very important when it came to casting their ballot. Now, women were more concerned with COVID-19 as a ballot box issue than men, and those under 55 were more concerned than those over 55. Now, for overall issues, healthcare came in as number one among voters, number two was the economy, and number three was education. The survey also asked voters for their preferred choice on October 26th. 29% said they would vote for the Saskatchewan Party, 14% chose the NDP, 7% answered the Progressive Conservative Party, and 4% said they would vote Liberal. But 34% of those polled say they are still undecided. The election is exactly 40 days away, and both Premier Scott Moe and NDP leader Ryan Miley are busy making announcements. Today, for the third consecutive day, Premier Scott Moe announcing a new school project. This is a joint-use school in the Harbour Landing neighborhood.
We'll be later this week in Regina, again, not in a Saskatchewan Party riding, announcing the building of a school in that riding. We'll be announcing a school in the northern riding of La Loche here as well. All of these were announced during either our budget process or our booster shot, our $2 billion injection to our infrastructure plan here in the province.
Ryan Miley's announcement today had to do with his plan to repeal MRI legislation.
That's why we are committing today to introducing the Saskatchewan Medicare Protection Act, an act modeled on the act that was recently confirmed by the BC Supreme Court as a good model to protect access to care, that bans double billing, bans extra charges for insured services, and bans things like the private user pay MRI that has people paying for services they should be covered for.
Expect to see many more announcements like these in the days ahead. The only question now is, when will the writ drop? Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.